Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can use ChatGPT for school and avoid plagiarism. All right, so let's start. Okay, so here, for example, if you will say, make an essay about World War II in not more than 100 words. Okay. All right, now after ChatGPT makes a summary, what you can do to check if this writing has some issues, you can copy the text and go to Grammarly. So here, click on Plagiarism Checker and paste the text that you copied from ChatGPT. Now click on Scan for Plagiarism. Okay, so here it says significant plagiarism found. So what you can do to fix this is you can go to a website called Quillbot. So this is a paraphrasing tool. Now what you can do is go back to ChatGPT, copy the text again, go to Quillbot and paste it here. Now click on Paraphrase. Okay, so after that one, you can copy the text from Quillbot and go to Grammarly and go back. And here in Plagiarism Checker, you can paste the text from Quillbot and scan for plagiarism. All right, so after that one here, it says no plagiarism found. So you are safe to use this in school. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.